All right, so let's go ahead and look at what we already wrote from yesterday. So on our first line, we should have written our name with a capital letter, our date with a capital letter, September. We abbreviated it, and yesterday was the 23rd. Now, we don't have to change this even though today is the 24th because we actually started our writing on this day. So let's read our first sentence. We said, a cat is a good pet. And today we read a story about cats. And as we were reading that story, I was thinking to myself, I was relating it to my cats. And something that I really remember from the story is it said, cats are great jumpers. Okay, now, and I think of that at home, my cats like to jump from the counter to the top of the refrigerator, and they jump to table to the couch and whatnot, and so they jump a lot more than I expected. So I like that about cats. So that's going to be our second sentence. So we're going to write, cats are great jumpers. Okay, so let's count how many words are in that sentence. Cats are great jumpers. Okay, we have 4 words. So let's go ahead. I don't have any more room right here, but if you do on this line, go ahead and finish writing on up here. If you don't, then go ahead and start right here. We don't want to start each sentence on a new line. Okay, we want to fill in whatever empty space we have. So our first word was cats. So I'm going to capitalize my C because that's the first word in my sentence. At. And not just one cat, but all cats. So when I have more than one, we put an S at the end of our word. Cats. Cats are good jumpers. So our next word is are, and that's a big word that we can't sound out, so I'm just going to go ahead and spell that for you. It's spelled A-R-E, and that's a red word we'll talk about later. Cats are great jumpers. Great. What sound do you hear in the beginning of great? G, g. So I'm going to make sure I space and start my word g. Okay, your G goes downstairs. Okay, and I know great is spelled with an E-A-T. Okay, it's spelled not like it's sound either. So, great. Cats are great jumpers. Let's think, what does jumper start with? J. What letter says J? And hopefully you thought the J. The J says J. Okay, and that one also goes downstairs, and then you dot your I above the line. J, m. Okay, let's spell the word jump. J, m. Okay, now let's read that. Cats are great jump. It says that they can jump, but they're good jumpers. Now when we say at the end of a word, it's actually ER. Jumpers. Okay, and then I'm not going to forget my period at the end of my sentence. Cats are great jumpers. Great job. Go ahead and finish writing that yourself on your paper, and then save this for tomorrow. We're going to add one more sentence.